Welcome everybody to Parkway North High School's Class of 2025 Curriculum Night presentation. Before we begin, I would like to introduce some Parkway North staff that will be important to the Class of 2025. Dr. Tori Kane, the building principal, her secretary, Ms. Danielle Dixon, the Class of 2025 assistant principal, Dr. Mike Rizzo, his secretary, Shelley Kelt, the Class of 2025's counselor, James L. Key, and Miss Katie Myers, the College Career and Transition Counselor. Over the next several slides, I will discuss the graduation requirements that will need to be filled over the next 4 years. Students will need 4 credits of English, 3 credits of Social Studies that will be made up of 1 U.S. History credit, 1 World History credit, a half a credit of Government, and a half of a credit of a Social Studies elective. 3 credits of Science, 3 credits of Math, 1 credit of Career and Tech Ed, which can be taken in the Business Department, the Family and Consumer Science Department, or the Engineering Department. 1 credit in the Fine Arts. These can be art classes, music classes, or theater classes. 1 credit of Physical Education, which will be made up of PE during freshman year, then a half credit of a PE elective during the junior or senior year. 1 half of credit in health, which will be taken during the sophomore year, 1 half of credit in personal finance, and 7 credits of elective classes to bring our total to 24 credits for graduation. Parkway prepares students for college. Each college has their own requirements. It's important to get to know them early in your high school career so that you can set yourself up in order to meet the requirements. For example, the University of Missouri requires 4 credits of English, 4 credits of math, one of them being trig, 3 credits of science, 3 credits of social studies, 1 credit of a fine art, and 2 credits of world languages. Other state schools require 4 English credits, 3 math credits, 1 being Algebra 2, 3 social sciences, 3 science classes, 1 fine art, and 3 academic electives. Now that you've had a preview of the credits that you'll need during high school, let's take a look at the course registration process for this year. You will need to watch the course registration video and the Infinite Campus Portal Student Registration 2021 video on the Parkway North website that will be posted on January 29th, 2021. Your core class recommendations will be emailed to you on the evening of January 29th. Rising 9th grade students will need to choose their core classes, electives, and alternatives on February 1st. You will use Infinite Campus to request your courses online. It is imperative that you use Google Chrome browser in order for this to work. Here is a list of classes that you should take as a 9th grader. Required freshman courses: English 1, U.S. History, a Science, a Math, PE, some suggested courses, a Fine Arts, a Practical Art, or a World Language. Teacher recommendations for honor courses are based on the subject themselves. They may not know that you've been recommended for other honor courses. Discuss it over your family and ask how much is too much. Pick your honor courses based off of what you believe you can handle. Are you interested in sports and activities? If so, Corey Johnson is your guy. He is Parkway North's athletic director. You must pass 6 classes and earn 3 credits each semester to be eligible to play sports or participate in any MISHA-sponsored event, which includes choir, band, and orchestra. Miss Tricia Frank is Parkway North's ESOL teacher. If your student receives services as an English as a second language, Miss Frank will be reaching out to you if she hasn't already. Dr. Artandria Bentley is the area coordinator for special school district that works with Parkway North. If your student receives services through special school district, they will receive a case manager at Parkway North. During the IEP process, recommendation for classes will be made, supports will be put in place, and post-high school planning will take place. As you look at high school as a whole, there are some things to consider down the road that you need to start planning for now. The A-plus scholarship program. This is a Missouri scholarship program that allows students that qualify and fulfill all requirements to attend a community college free of tuition for 2 years. Summer school options. Summer school is not only for remediation, but it's also for enrichment. Some students choose to take PE, personal finance, or health during summer school to open up their schedule during the school year to take electives that they're interested in. Tech school programs. Tech school is offered to juniors and seniors. At Tech School, you will learn technical skills for future careers, and some of their programs offer certifications while you're still in high school. If you choose this path, your Tech School will count as your elective classes, and you will take your state requirements at Parkway North. And Parkway Choice programs. Parkway offers a variety of individual programs such as Spark, the Early College Program, and Fern Ridge. You will learn more about these programs later in your high school career. Thank you for taking the time to view this presentation. If you have any questions, please fill out the link that is attached to this email. We look forward to working with you and your family over the next 4 years. And remember, it's a great day to be a Viking.